You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. It has been a bad time for Bitcoin. Like I said, that market is going to go down right from this candle formation, and see the way this market dropped right down. And right now Bitcoin is trading at 16.6k approximately, and on the 4-hour chart the same thing. I'm talking about you looking for short positions and not long or buy position. And on ETH the same thing. Short position has always been what I've been talking about for the past few days. And what are we paying attention to today? As you see, the market tries to move to the upside here. Not only that, we have the CPI data released today, the month per month and year over year CPI data, and I'm going to talk about this data in the special video so that you have to understand the way you can relate the CPI data to market conditions, and the fact that the market has already dropped right down on ETH and also on BTC. All of this and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end, and if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the BTC USDT 1-day chart, if you've been following my analysis, you can boldly say that I've been talking about market plugging to the downside, and I said if you see a breakout of this level of support, then that also means market is going to go further down to 16 and 15k level. I talk about that in that very video this very week, and right now we see the market drop right down and we are at this very level of support. So what are we expecting today as market tend to move a little bit to the upside? Is this move going to make the market move up, or we're going to see the market come back right now? This is what I am paying attention to right now. Since we see the market move from here to the downside, the market don't move like that to the downside. It will move and then have a little correction. So I'm expecting correction within this level of 15k right here, and where the market is right now on the 1-day chart. That means even though we see the market move down a little bit from where the market is right now, market can move down a little bit, but within this level of 15k and this level of 16.6k is where I'm expecting the market to find a little bit of retracement to the upside. Then after that retracement, maybe to this level of support, then we're going to see the market come back down again. I am still expecting the market to see come back down. And for those who've been watching my video before now, I've been talking about Bitcoin bottom out around 11 and 10k level, and it's like that is where we are heading to. But what you need to pay attention to right now is this market to actually move from this area in form of a retracement to the upside before the next continuation to the downside. So pay attention to this level of 15k and where the market is right now. And also the CPI data is going to also impact on this very market today. And on the 4-hour chart right here, you see the market has dropped right down, and what I am paying attention to is the market from this area to move a little bit to the upside, because we've seen this drastic move to the, we have to see the market relaxation, that is correction in the market before continuation to the downside. And to the fact that we have CPI data today that's going to be released, and you have to pay attention to this very area. What I am expecting actually on this CPI data is this. If you look at this very one, we have 0.4%. That is the previous data that was released, and the forecast by Federal Reserve is 0.6%. That means they are expecting a little bit of high inflation in the economy month by month. Don't forget that. And if you look at the year per year inflation right here, the CPI data, we have 8.2%. That was last year. So they are also expecting a little bit of reduction, which is 7.9% this very year. So what does that mean to us? What that means is if there is a little increase in this value, that is the forecast, that means if we have something like 8.2 or 8.3, and this very area we have a little bit of, let's say, 0.7 or 0.8%, then I am going to be paying attention to the market reaction to the downside a little bit. That means we are going to see the market maybe suddenly move a little bit to the downside, and a sharp move to the upside. That means you would expect a spike during the news, and that spike can lead to the market move back down, but actually the market will not just plop right down like that. I am expecting the market to move up if there is a slight increase in these values given right here. I'll also talk about this more extensively in the forex video, so watch that forex video on the forex channel as well. So on the BTC USD 4-hour chart right here, I am expecting the market to retrace back up a little bit, even to this level of 17,900 to 18,500 before the market will actually begin to move to the downside again. This is my expectation, and like I said, pay attention to the CPI data that's going to be released today. And if you look at the 4-hour chart ETH right here, the same thing. I was talking about markets moving to the downside, and that is what we've been seeing for the past few days. And right now, market is at this very area. What you should be paying attention to, because this will also react to the CPI data that we have right there that's going to be released. And what I am expecting is the market to move to the upside. But before the market moves to the upside, after the CPI data, we will see the market move a little bit to the downside before that actual move to the upside. That means that don't take a trade yet right now. It will be wise for you to wait for this data to be actually released, so that we have that impact in the market, a little bit of move to the downside. Then we can then define where the move is going to move next to, and a proper entry for a short buy position or a long buy position to the upside a little bit before we can see that very move to the downside again after the impact. So this is what you have to be paying attention to right now, guys, because it will impact on the market significantly before the next directional move in the market. So what do you think about the market on the 1-day chart right here? Do you think from this area where I just circled right now, from this area of 15K to this very area where the market is right now, we're going to see the market retrace a little bit to the upside before the next continuation to the downside again? Because this move, market has already moved from here up to this very level. This is a great move, and we expect retracement to come into the area right now. What do you think about the market, guys? Do you think this market is going to from here fly to the upside, or is going to follow this analysis? Comments below in the comments section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX $600 bonus on Bybit, check the link in the description of this video and do your registration right now. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.